Good morning, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Taylan here. I am going to be reviewing our unit on taking care of the earth. We're going to start by thinking of the 3 reasons why forests are important. Firstly, they are homes for animals. What's the first reason? Get ready. Yes, they are homes for animals. Secondly, trees make oxygen for us to breathe. What's the second reason? Get ready. Yes, trees make oxygen for us to breathe. And the third reason is that trees keep the air fresh and clean. What's the third reason? Get ready. Yes, trees keep the air fresh and clean. You guys are so smart, so smart, so smart. Ding, ding, ding. Now let's review the next thing that we learnt about. We learnt about the fact that we use wood. We use wood to make homes. We use wood for pencils and for furniture like our desks. So while we need the trees for the wood to be able to make these things, we need to make sure that when we are cutting down trees, that we are replacing them with new seeds that will grow into big trees to help our planet. We learned about the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. What are the 3 R's? Get ready. Yes, reduce, reuse, and recycle. I wonder if you can remember what each of those mean before we even move on with the presentation. Reduce means to use not as much. So one way that we can reduce the water that we use is to conserve it, to protect it, use less. We can take short showers instead of long showers or deep, deep baths. We can also make sure that when we're brushing our teeth that we turn the faucet off, so the water is not being wasted. What 2 ways can we have to conserve water? Get ready. Yes, taking short showers and turning off the faucet. We can also reduce the electricity that we use. One of the ways we can do that is to turn the lights off when you leave the room or when you don't need it. Right now it's light outside. I don't have the light on, so I'm helping to save electricity by turning the lights off when I leave the room. What can you do to reduce with electricity? Get ready. Yes, turn off the lights when you leave the room. You can also turn off the TV, turn off any games that you're using, anything that uses electricity that is not being used when you're not in the room anymore. You can turn it off when you go out. We can also reuse. We can reuse water bottles. We can turn them into bird feeders. You could turn them into toys by turning it into a car, turn it into a space rocket. You could also turn it into a musical instrument, putting pasta or rice inside. We can also reuse cans by decorating them and putting pencils in to hold our pencils and our crayons as a pencil box. We can also recycle. The things that we can recycle are plastics, metal, glass, and paper. What things can we recycle? Get ready. Yes, plastics, metal, glass, and paper. I have been recycling myself. Here's my box. I'm recycling paper and card, and once it gets full, which is really close, I will then be able to take it out to recycle. So at home, you can maybe look at the things that you're throwing away and see, can I recycle some of these things and sort them into each item and see how many you have of each. Another thing that we can do to take care of the earth is to not litter. What is littering? Littering is when you put your trash on the ground. What is littering? Get ready. Yes, when you put your trash on the ground. We do not litter though, because 1, it can hurt our wildlife. Our animals are getting hurt when they get trapped in our trash. So we need to make sure we put our trash away so that they don't get trapped in it. But also, it can make us sick. We don't want our streets to be filthy and dirty and carrying germs. We want to stay healthy. So by putting our trash in the trash can, it helps us to not get sick. So this is our review of our taking care of the earth units. I hope you enjoyed learning about it, and maybe during the time that you're at home, you can think of ways that you can help take care of our planet from your home or when you're out on a walk. And you can always email your teachers and let them know what you did to help take care of the earth. Bye-bye.